In this lesson, we're going to talk about structs, which stand for structures. We've been using them the whole time, but what exactly are they? So right here we have an example of a structure of a storybook. In simple terms, a structure is like a blueprint. And if there's a metaphor that would accurately explain what a structure is, imagine putting in a blueprint into a 3D printer. And the 3D printer is able to make multiple instances of that item using the blueprint. So right now we have a blueprint for a storybook. And right here from line 9 to 11, we create 3 different storybooks using the storybook template or the storybook structure. So you can see that the first one is the red book. It has the title Alice in Wonderland, the author Carol, and it was published in the year 1865. So actually, let's erase this and let's go over how to instantiate a storybook. So we have a blueprint here, and we want to create a new book, right? So let's create a new storybook that's in the form of a yellow book. And we will set it equal to a storybook. And if I start typing the open parentheses here, you'll see that we will get this option to autocomplete our storybook with its non-initialized properties. So when we press enter, we are able to initialize the missing title, the missing author, and the missing year right when we create that new storybook. So let's create a new title. And once again, let's name it Alice in Wonderland. The author will be Carol. And the year will be 1865. Nice. So we have a new storybook that's called Yellow Book, and it used the template of the storybook structure. So to access these properties, which are the title, author, and year, so constants and variables are called properties in the context of structs in classes. So we can access these properties by typing in yellowbook.title. If you play our playground here, you'll notice that it successfully accessed Alice in Wonderland. And if we go yellowbook.author, same thing, we would be able to access the author of the yellow book. And let's complete this by typing in yellowbook.year. And we get 1865. So if we wanted to make a new book, let redbook equal storybook. And we initialize it with the wonderful Wizard of Oz. The author is Baum. And the year is 1900. So now we have a completely new book created from the storybook template or the storybook structure. So if we go ahead and type in redbook.title, redbook.author, and redbook.year, if we run our playground, we will get the properties of the new book. That is the swift analysis of structures.